Welcome to Invest. We'll talk about investing, finance, or professional. As a recording time of 4:40 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum contract $2,984, up about 0.45% so far. As you can see on the left side of the chart, the regular coins like that we always talk about, Ethereum and Bitcoin, are both relatively flat at the moment. What the altcoins have the house is relatively, I would say, green at the moment, with some altcoin, approximating about 5% upward swing right now. Cardano's at 10%. So we'll dive into the technicals to see what's going on. And respect to overall crypto market and the equity market, we had some sort of like a seesaw effect today. We were surging, I would say on the equity side, relatively prominently in the tech sector. We saw Tesla rallying by close to 5% so far. But as lunchtime hits, basically all the gains was given up and went back down to below $1,000. And on the overall market side, it had the same collective affectation, like a negative V shape, like right. You had that peak, and subsequently, as 1 p.m. hits, slide back down. So what's driving the sell-off, right? There are multiple catalysts, right? The first catalyst mainly driven by the oil price, which seems like it's fluctuating. And the sell-off that we've seen across the market is mainly due to the spike in oil price hitting at approximately $115 all over again. Seems like we are above 110 all over again, despite surging, kind of levitating around like the 104, 107 today. But as the lunchtime hits, it reached to 115. It seems like with respect to the war between Ukraine and Russia, and some of the trade tension is still cultivating. Another type of media affectation I'm also seeing is it seems like COVID is coming back in. So it seems like there's a subvariant called Omicron BA2. It seems like we're making more names now to be dominating US. So that's a lingering affectation. I know that with respect to China, it has broken out recently in the last couple of weeks so far. But seems like it's, in US, we have a subvariant that we need to watch out for. And then that's pretty much it on the news front. I would say two negative news: oil prices, the war cultivation, and obviously with respect to the Omicron, plus the surge that we've seen prior in the first half of the day, based on the digestions on the Jerome verbiage that we were given 24 hours ago. Driving some sort of a reversal, but seems like right now it's not that clear of a picture. Are we in a full reversal, or this is more some just like a relief rebound, but we're still in the bear trend? So let's just dive into it. So respect again on recording time of 4:43 p.m. on the Eastern Time. Ethereum contract just approximating around $3,000. So the next level of support will be going down to the 2853. Which I give that a high certainty that we'll actually do so with the 60 out of 70. But I actually prefer to be buying somewhere around like 2750 all the way to 2621. At the current level right now, it's not sustainable, and we technically need to go up to bare minimum 3050, but that's a flat number, right? The easy number is like 3050, 3100, but the real level we need to get up to is 3158. So I don't really believe that we'll actually have a shot of actually doing so. So coming back down will be the next natural course of cadence. So 2750 all the way to 2621, which I potentially will be buying the dip here. Respect to Bitcoin, at the moment right now, we are comparable in terms of the trading pattern to Ethereum. At 57 out of 70 right now. So 40 all the way to 37 is where I would be buying the dip based on the current setup at the moment. Dogecoin up about 5.2%. This 57 out of 70, large separation, not really sustainable. 11 to basically 10 cents from here. That where are we buying it? Cardano's up about 9.08%. We broke above $1. And right now with the 68 out of 70, so really overbought. And the next level we need to get up to will be somewhere around like the 119, to be honest with you, but we got broken off at 110 because it's a flat number, which makes sense, but this is relatively high risk. I don't really suggest buying so at the moment because the risk is all-time high at the moment. Solana is up about 2.11%, 93 right now. I like it even from basically 85 to 75 from here based on the current setup of 55 out of 70. XRP is flat, not doing anything. Like anywhere from 69 to 57. I would not touch this personally from 63 all the way to 57 from here. Polkadot's up about 5% so far. Anywhere from 1644 all the way to 1406 from here. That's 64 out of 70. Algorand's up about 0.78%. I like anywhere from 70 all the way to 64 from here. The 56 out of 70. Shiba Inu is up about 3.5%. I like anywhere from basically low 2000, so 2100, 1400 to 900 from here. MACTA's up about 2%, 145 or 143 to 120 would be where I would personally buy at. AVAX up about 1.21%, 60 to 50 from here. Where are we buying at? I don't really like where we're at right now. Relatively high dragged up, already showing some of curvature downward. Luna is up about 1.66%, 60 out of 70, so it's going to pop the balloon any day now. 60, 50, 52, 45 from here. And let's take a look at Tesla. It's already selling off at the after-market hours, down about 0.17%. We already seeing some signs of RSI dipping down. We already seeing some signs of MACD dipping down as well. So I think we're heading to the 900 from here to 850, which I think, you know, buying a dip at 850 would be relatively logical. This is absolutely not a level to be buying at the moment. Risk is crazy high at the moment. So that's a bonus on Tesla. It's not a crypto, obviously, but just want to throw that out there, knowing the fact that it had a relatively big seesaw effect today. But I appreciate you. Have a good day. And I'll see you guys on Thursday tomorrow. Take care. Bye.